week. We go start Tori this afternoon now with the Tori wey e comot for site for Bamenda. Country people them palava big meeting for SDF. Now images for Bamenda sites. Country people them wey e dey show say SDF e dey can small time make we try for enter for this story for SDF. Country people them. We go surely turn back for inside this story for SDF. Yes, now SDF Congress hold that for that side for Bamenda. Now for they we all these people them SDF member them when they come out for all sides, they don't meet up. But Sabi say no be na come out small the small one for Sika say SDF their police help. They check any man before they come. Now so two police people they flock for all sides, even for that side for Congress on when Dongamen get for happen, police people then they on top. Now for tell we say for two, this cry where SDF people that we don't talk say make a country, it do it work like a country. It don't answer for people that here. I say total check before you want enter say for Bamenda. You get like some 6 places away motor get for stop for say make they look your face fine and for check whether for two you be a person where you enter for inside town with a good mind. As we police they turn up now so to SDF their own police people then too they deal with their white and green trusses. Then too they stand up they check all my way they enter for the place and the commode. But Sabi say for now, Congress Center when for day or Congress or for Bamenda, all thing they find, Red Cross people then say they did day for do waiting for say make they look out say oh man, any man will get small headache, they give even paracetamol for drink them. So Kamamburu day, you get police people them their own for only for look motor there they don't park, so that some person no go come put fire, then it cause confusion. Now so to SDF their own police people them now then that, then to the turn up for their own side, they did look for all corner. I say they did look for all corner. Any man wey want enter with the suspect, one time they blow whistle. When they blow whistle, other people they go yes. So as well the talk so prepare a day for that side for Congress Hall for inside Bamenda. Police a day they plenty. SDF their own police too a day. All people them their eye it don't shine. Sabi say now after we they send message for SDF people them say make them not just try for happen this in Dongamen for that side so for Bamenda. Now way police people they for outside even on top Congress Center security for inside them. Now helele now only for see how way these people they go make magu enter for that place for cause confusion. Today, tomorrow, and Friday, Sabi say we go Sabi whether even O.C. Joshua or Honorable Joseph Bandam and even this man they call and say Honorable Chinda Fobi who go turn up, who they go vote like SDF their own president man for Drakro Putunkunkuma and even chairman for SDF party. All that one so it go be for inside Dongamen for that side for Bamenda.